traveling with Eddie. Today I am on the ferry to Landika to Sweden. It will take me around 3 hours to take the ferry from Fredrikshavn to Gothenburg in Sweden. Let us go and explore Sweden together here at the little Christmas day. On the ferry we can go for shopping here. Let us go inside and see what they are selling here on the ferry together. Today look like they have discount on perfume on board on the ferry in case of someone wants to buy the last present back home to their loved one. They also have door of PP long currents. Of course, there are also a lot of candies for the children that we can buy here on board.
Hello everybody, and here's the quiz for the kids, and they can just play around while you're doing the quiz while you're here and just relaxing, alright?
On board on the ferry, there will be a gaming area where the children can play. There will also be a cafeteria where we can buy some sandwich or a cup of coffee or eat buffet on one of the restaurants on board. There will also be many areas that we can sit and relaxing, reading a book, or eat our brought food on board on the ferry. We will arrive in Sweden soon. Here we can see the Arbor Bridge. It's a suspension bridge over Gothenburg in Gothenburg. The bridge is connecting the island of Masthugget with the mainland. Getting around Gothenburg is easy. We can take the tram into the town. Gothenburg Sporvogn is the largest tramway system in the Nordic region with 161 kilometers of the track. The tramways form the truck of Gothenburg public transport and come large parts of the urban area in both Gothenburg and Mölndal municipalities. Sweden is a welfare state as it is in Denmark where I live. Gothenburg is the second largest city in Sweden after the capital Stockholm and the fifth largest city in the Nordic countries. There are many places that we can go and visit in Gothenburg as the amusement park Liseberg. Liseberg Amusement Park is one of Sweden's most visited tourist attractions, and the park's Christmas market is one of the yearly highlights in Gothenburg. Now we are in Gothenburg in Sweden, and we want to go and explore some of the attractions here in Gothenburg. Here on Little Christmas Day today, let us go around and look together. I want to go in and see inside Masthugget Church here in Gothenburg. Masthugget Church in Gothenburg was built in 1914. The church has a very prominent location on the mountain and is one of the city major attractions. Masthugget Church is one of the most original Gothenburg buildings. The church has 1,050 people seats, of which 250 are in the galleries. The church tower is 60 meters high in itself. The church represents the national romantic style in the Nordic architecture. Let us go and enjoy the nature here around the church. before we walking into the city. Here we can see Oscar Fredrik Church. The church is in Olivendal in Gothenburg. It was opened on Easter Sunday 1893. Here the Swedish can buy their Christmas tree that they can bring with home and decorate before the Christmas Eve. Here we can see Haga Church. The church was opened on Advent Sunday 27 November 1859, but the construction of the church began in 1856. It was one of the first churches in Sweden in neo-Gothic style. Let us go and look at the shop here together in Gothenburg. There are many sweet bouquets and Christmas decoration here in Plum store. Many like to lay a flower crane on graves to remind them of their beloved one, while others like to buy bouquets to give when they visiting friends or their family members during the Christmas season. Now the children have found a shop that they think is very interesting because inside the shop they are selling Swedish tea, coffee and candy. Let us go and look around in the shops together. They have a souvenir shop here. I'm wondering what they are selling of souvenirs here to the tourists. Let us go inside and look.
Bor du i en sån här så har du en extra i båten så ja, du är så då blir det mycket
Here we can see Haga Church. It is a shop that sells high quality products. Many of the shoes hang around so we can look at them immediately if we want to try some of them. It has been interesting to be here in Gothenburg for the boys and me on Little Christmas Day. We have been around and see at some of the attractions here and enjoying our day here together in Sweden. Today we have been to Gothenburg in Sweden and explore a bit of Gothenburg today. I hope that you have enjoyed my video for I wish all of you to have a very good Christmas with your family. During the Christmas time, you should be good to each other and be kind to the people that we know and the people that we do not know also. I always believe that during the Christmas time that we should be good to ourselves, our family, and the people that we do not know. Because if one day we self have some problem and want some help from other people, maybe there will be some people that also will reach out and help us when we are in need. So I hope that all of you will be very kind and nice to yourself and to each other and your family too. And I wish all of you to have a very, very good Christmas time and a very happy New Year when the time comes into it. And see you in my next video. Now I'm on the way back to Denmark. Bye! Thank you for watching. If you like the content of my traveling videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos with Traveling with Annie.